Hello and welcome to another update video on HBAR. HBAR is, starting to show some upside momentum, which is definitely interesting. At the moment, this move to the upside looks quite impulsive. It's not an actual upside impulse, however, here from the swing low, from the Friday low. It is only a 3-wave move up so far. We would need to see a proper 5-wave move up for a proper confirmation that we've bottomed here on the 21st of November. That is what we are tracking at the moment. I mean, essentially this move to the downside has done what it needed to do. I'm tracking it as a proper WXY structure. This is, of course, a more complex corrective pattern. I often teach, what it is. A WXY structure consists of 3-wave structures in all directions. Basically here, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 3 waves down in a Y wave. The Y wave itself is then again an ABC pattern. And the C wave here, reached targets. I mean, the idea was it's going to be a 5-wave move that should reach this area here and possibly reach the area between 13.3 cents and 11.8 cents. So there we are. Price reacted, and it didn't react just anywhere. It reacted in an ideal target area. In addition to that, it reacted when we were already watching for a bounce on the Bitcoin chart. So I think, it had all the let's say the warning or let's say what should I say? The confirmations, you could say, they were accumulating, right? The signals, we didn't really get a signal, but the structural, the indications we can get from the structure, they were all there, right? So of course, beyond that, you would need a crystal ball. Of course, this doesn't really exist. So what we're now doing, we're simply tracking now if the bulls can generate and continue this upside reversal. What do we need to see for an upside reversal confirmation normally? Well, we want to see 5 waves up and we want to see a break above a key level. Now, do we have a 5-wave move up? Well, we have 3 at the moment, another higher low and another higher high. That's exactly what we need to see next. Hold on. We have 3 waves up and we are currently attacking the key level. So we don't really have confirmations yet. What we need now is a more convincing break above these 2 swing highs in the area around 15.5 cents and one more high. Because only a sequence of 5 waves to the upside would give us a confirmation a bottom is formed. Wave 1, hold on. Wave 1, Wave 2, Wave 3, Wave 4, Wave 5. This is our micro support, currently located between 14 cents and 14.8 cents. Of course, the pullback has not clearly started yet, right? There is no sign as such that a 4th wave pullback has started. But what is important to understand is that this is the support zone. So as long as we are holding the 14-cent level, the pressure is up, okay? Short term. Still very fragile because we don't have a 5-wave move up yet. So what happens after the 5 waves? That is a series of higher highs and higher lows. We know that after 5 waves, typically a corrective pullback follows. We can call that a so-called 1-2 setup. And then afterwards, we should get a 3rd wave rally to the upside. This is exactly what we want to see to confirm an upside reversal. So what else can we say? Well, if we get these 5 waves up, then we can expect the next pullback to hold a higher low. And this would then set the, basically act as a springboard for higher prices. Next resistance is above. We've got this last swing high, not so relevant actually. I think more meaningful is this B wave high. That's at 19.9 cents. And then the X wave high in this area around 21.7 to 22 cents. This is also where the selling volume kicked in on the 10th of October. So those are really the next main levels to watch. But yeah, found HBAR interesting today because we've seen a first micro 5-wave move up. I'll keep you updated, of course. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel for additional charts, news, updates, and much more. I'll leave a link in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.